Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Pipedrive email integration with Gmail easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download Pipedrive email integration with Gmail, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Pipedrive website. Log in to your Pipedrive account. If you don't have an account, create one to proceed. Once logged in, look for the settings gear icon in the upper right corner. Click on the settings icon to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, locate the email integration option on the left sidebar. Click on email integration to open the email settings. You will see options for connecting various email services. Select Gmail from the list of available email services. After selecting Gmail, click on the Connect button. A new window will open, prompting you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Gmail email address and click Next. Now, enter your password and click Next again. You may need to complete a two-factor authentication process if it is enabled. Once authenticated, you will be asked to allow Pipedrive access to your Gmail account. Read the permissions carefully and click Allow. You will then be redirected back to your Pipedrive account. Your Gmail integration should now be active. Check the integration settings to customize your preferences. Now, you can start using Pipedrive with Gmail seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.